Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I'm going to try to pick this UCS-2A PACLOCK that I received from Thumper. Thumper, thank you again. He and I did a package swap. Here's the bidding on the key. Nice snap. Never picked one of these. I've only ever had their 98 Pros. Get this in a vise where we can see it. Let's see, 18 will be nice. It looks too small for 50 thousandths. 40 is pretty loose. Give that a shot though. Two. Three's not moving. Back to 1, 2. Might have been 5. Clicks on 3, another click on 2. Big click on, that might have been 6 and 5. I felt like it slipped a little. Click on 3, click on 2, click on 2. Feels like a challenge log. Click on 4. There was a little touch on 2 and got some movement on the core. Just a little bit of a false set, I think. Let's try to find that. Another little click in the back, another click in the back. Click on 1, but I think I dropped 2. Yeah. Back into that little false set. I'm still getting clicks. Hey, little touch on 1, and we got this open. Sweet. Thumper, thanks again. I really appreciate this. This is not a lock that I've ever had before. Before I attempted to pick this, I went ahead and found the right bit to crack this baby open, so I wouldn't be fumbling around through all my stuff. Come on. There we go. Oh, that's cool. Does nothing retain this core? Interesting. Doesn't want to shim. Well, I guess we're not going to shim it. I guess we're also not going to gut it. How in the world? What's this little guy? Well, we're gonna fumble anyway. I have no idea if this is what we're supposed to do here or not. I'll bet you that had something to do with it. Did I already screw up? Aha, I'm back. All right, so what I just did was I had the key in, the little notch that I assume is in here, because I know it's in here now. I gave it a little wrap while I was pressing in with the key, and that worked. So I'm gonna shim it now. Don't mind me. Hey guys, gals, folks. Always use a shim. Oh man. Hey, would you look at that? There's a big old notch there. All right, back in business. Standard. Let's see. See, that was higher cut and lower cut. Okay. Cool. Little guys in there. Nice. Okay. Crisis averted. A cute little spool. Well, that's an interesting serrated. It's got 2 cuts. Get back in there. Another spool. Another serrated. Come back from the other side. Really need to invest in some real plug followers. Serrated. And another spool. Awesome. Very, very cool. So there we have it, a UCS-2A pack lock, courtesy of Thumper Lockpicking. I'm gonna have a card right there for Thumper, and I'm gonna put his channel in the description below. Please check him out. He has a lot of great content. There's a lot of challenge locks and yeah, a lot of good stuff there. And I really enjoy his channel, so you guys should check him out too. Here's what we got. Anyway, I think this has been quite long enough. Thank you all for watching. If you like my channel, please like these videos, please subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.